I'm going to attempt to print with the element right here. First thing I'm going to try to do is just this basic skull mount. I didn't design it, it's from Thingiverse, but it should be a quick, simple one. Shouldn't be a pain in the ass, it should be pretty quick and straightforward. Swap out the PLA that I have in the machine right now for this prosthetic grade TPU. I really can't tell where this is at. I don't know how this is gonna turn. That stuff already feels weird. I'm gonna go send the file up to print. Okay, I'm gonna send. And hopefully that works. I should check and make sure I have the right temperature set. So the printing temperature is 190 to 250. Hopefully that works for it and there's no issues. I'm really curious how this stuff feels.